Number 1. 1972 Chevrolet C10 long bed, $3,700, Elk Grove, California. This 1972 Chevrolet C10 long bed is an affordable entry-level classic pickup that runs and drives well. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a 3-speed column-shifted manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. The truck holds a clean title and a solid frame, though minor floorboard rust and visible front-end damage are present. Overall, it offers a strong mechanical foundation and represents a very reasonable restoration candidate. Number 2. 1976 GMC K20 four-wheel drive, $9,000, El Cajon, California. This 1976 GMC K20 is a heavily upgraded four-wheel drive classic featuring a built 383 cubic inch V8 producing approximately 450 horsepower and a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Recent improvements include Fox suspension components, 35-inch tires, fresh paint, dual fuel tanks, and extensive mechanical work supported by receipts. Despite a non-functioning odometer, the truck drives exceptionally well and is ready for immediate enjoyment. Number 3. 1987 Chevrolet C10 LS SWAPPED, $14,000, Memphis, Missouri. This 1987 Chevrolet C10 has been tastefully modernized with a reliable 5.3-liter LS engine and a newly remanufactured automatic transmission. It delivers tight steering, strong braking performance, leak-free operation, and excellent overall drivability. LS swapped C10 pickups are highly sought after, and this example successfully blends classic square body styling with modern reliability. Number 4. 1989 Chevrolet 3500 Square Body Dually, $12,500, Paso Robles, California. This 1989 Chevrolet 3500 Dually represents the final year of the iconic square body era. It is powered by a 454 cubic inch V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Recent updates include new tires, wheels, cooling system components, and electrical work. With a clean title and current smog compliance, this heavy-duty truck offers both collector appeal and real-world work capability. Number 5. 1976 Chevrolet C20, $12,000, Lodi, California. This 1976 Chevrolet C20 is a well-restored classic pickup featuring a rebuilt 350 cubic inch engine, automatic transmission, vintage air conditioning, updated wiring, new glass, and a refreshed interior. The truck has been lowered, properly smogged, registered, and runs very well. It is an excellent choice for buyers seeking a turnkey classic with modern comfort upgrades. Number 6. 1978 Chevrolet C10 shortbed, $12,900, Chandler, Arizona. This one-owner 1978 Chevrolet C10 shortbed remains largely original and unmodified. It retains its original paint, interior, and body panels, paired with a replacement 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. The factory build sheet is included, adding to its collector appeal. Original shortbed C10 models like this continue to increase in value. Number 7. 1979 Chevrolet C10 Dually, $12,500, Los Angeles, California. This 1979 Chevrolet C10 features a rare, period-correct J.C. Whitney dually conversion with factory-style rear fenders. Power comes from a low-mileage, good-wrench 350 V8 and a remanufactured automatic transmission. Updated suspension, steering, and braking components provide smooth and confident road manners. It offers distinctive styling, comfort, and everyday usability. Number 8. 1965 Chevrolet C10, $14,000, Wichita, Kansas. This 1965 Chevrolet C10 has been under the same ownership for more than 20 years and is known for its dependable performance. It is powered by a V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and features a wood bed. While the paint shows age and minor cosmetic imperfections, it runs well and represents a solid mid-60s C10 driver with authentic character. Number 9. 1964 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed, $13,000, Solana Beach, California. This 1964 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed is equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission and runs and drives as expected. All exterior lighting and signals are functional. Although the odometer is inoperative and mileage is believed to be high, the truck carries a clean title and remains a desirable early shortbed C10 platform. Number 10. 1954 GMC 100, $20,000, South Whidbey, Washington. This 1954 GMC 100 has undergone a full frame-off restoration and is now powered by a 5.3-liter LS engine paired with an automatic transmission. The rust-free body combined with a modern drivetrain delivers excellent reliability while preserving classic early 50s truck styling. This high-quality Restomod offers strong performance and collector appeal. Number 11. 1994 Nissan Xtra Cab 4-wheel drive, $900, Roberts, Montana. This 1994 Nissan Xtra Cab is powered by a 3.0-liter V6 with an automatic transmission and fully functional 4-wheel drive. It runs and drives very well, though cosmetic condition is rough. With relatively low mileage for its age and a clean title, it represents a practical and budget-friendly pickup. Number 12. 1979 GMC C30 Dually Sierra Classic, $9,500, Aberdeen, South Dakota. This 1979 GMC C30 Sierra Classic Camper Special is powered by a numbers-matching 454 cubic inch V8 paired with a recently serviced automatic transmission. It features factory air conditioning, power accessories, dual fuel tanks, 4.10 rear gearing, and extensive maintenance records. While not perfect, it remains roadworthy, usable, and attractively priced for a heavy-duty classic truck.